We are now here at the very famous Trevi fountain here in Rome, Italy. Come on, Romeo, hurry up. Okay, 1, 2, 3, make a wish. Okay, it's my turn. So this is the mighty coliseum, the ultimate symbol of Rome. They call it here the Coliseum. Hi! We're here at the Coliseum, the mighty Coliseum, here in Rome, Italy. We're standing in front of it. How cool is that? Wow.
Tabii burası yıkılan kısmını yeniden ama 1800'lerde yapmışlar, yeni değil. O zaman çok kapsamlı bir restorasyon.
Hi.
O araya, o dönem.
So we are now standing in front of the Coliseum, the mighty Coliseum, here in Rome, Italy. Hi.
But if you see the movie Ben-Hur, you can imagine this, the famous hippodrome for the chariot races, and was very famous in the ancient time, the Circus Maximus. And for this, on the right side of the Circus Maximus was built the house to the most famous Roman emperor. The first one was built for the famous Emperor Augusto, and it was built in the 3rd century before Christ. Is the only one. The last ancient time, and on your left side you can see the first temple. You can see the 2 temples. The first temple was dedicated to Vesta, and for this wall called the temple to Vesta. The second temple that you can see always on your left side was dedicated to Portunus, the god of the sea, Portunus. And always right side This was the first beef market. The first and the most important beef market in Rome. And ancient temples. And the church was built in the middle of the ancient temple. And for this, on the right side and on the left side, you can see the column, the ancient column. But if you look always on your left side, you can see another beautiful monument. This was the Marcellus Theater, and you can see also the synagogue. The synagogue. The Marcellus Theater. Marcellus was the nephew to another double theater. Now, on your right side, the famous Campidoglio. This was built, and you can see today is the city hall. Is the city hall of Rome. You can see the beautiful bell tower on the top of the city hall, and the lions that was built by Michelangelo. This is a medieval church, Santa Maria in Aracelis, and the ruins on your right side that are a famous and beautiful Roman condominium. Venice Square, Piazza Venezia, the Venice Square with the Vittoriano. The Vittoriano, the white building on your right side, that was built in the 17th century in honor to the first king of Italy, Victor Emmanuel II. And you can see on the middle of the Vittoriano the tomb of unknown soldiers. And look always on your right side, my family, the Roman Forum Avenue, Imperial Forum Avenue, and the beautiful panoramic view about the Coliseum, the Roman Forum, and the Trajan Column. The Trajan Column that was built in honor of the Trajan Emperor for the conquest of Romania. And, grazie Sandro, we turn around. On your left side, my family, Cellini House, the Venice Palace, Palazzo Venezia. But now, another panoramic view about the Victor.